A recent report from the Texas Department of State Health Services reveals a disturbing trend.
Cases of pertussis, commonly known as whooping cough, are outpacing last year's total. Health reporter Haley Hernandez has more.
To explain how bad this is right now, in 2024, there were 1,928 cases total in Texas, and this year we've already had more than 1,000. To help us understand this dangerous disease, I spoke to Dr. David Pertussis, Chief Medical Officer for the City of Houston.
This is a bacteria that likes the lining of your upper airway. Both pertussis, what happens is that it likes those cells, it damages those cells, you have a hard time clearing your airway, and it causes this persistent cough.
The rise in whooping cough in Texas follows a larger, more drastic national trend. More than 8,000 cases have been reported so far in 2025 per the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and that's already double the cases from where we were this time last year. Dr. David Pertussis, Chief Medical Officer for the City of Houston, explains that pertussis can be especially dangerous for infants. Symptoms can be mild, even non-existent in babies at first. And then, without warning, they might stop breathing for brief periods. Those periods of apnea, as it's called, is a huge red flag for parents and needs medical attention. Or parents can protect their children and prevent infection.
But your tetanus shot you need, which has the diphtheria and pertussis protection as well, you really need to think about getting that at least every 10 years. We are hearing about cases in the Houston area, not a big surprise. This is a big metropolitan area. Sure. So we are seeing it, and the numbers are up. You know, if we can get the family vaccinated, if we pay attention to our symptoms and we go see doctors early, there are things that we can do to minimize the chances to the babies.
The Texas Medical Association says in most cases, kids get pertussis from the adults in their home. The CDC recommends that you get the Tdap vaccine every 10 years. I'm health reporter Haley Hernandez, KPRC 2 News.